What I like about cocoyam, especially when you make it into porridge like this or pottage, is that it is creamier and silkier compared to yam or even sweet potatoes. Hello everyone, let's make this creamy cocoyam pottage together. For this cocoyam pottage recipe, I'll be using some cocoyam. Of course, I bought this for 2,000 naira at my local market. I'm going to peel this, wash and cut into smaller sizes. Cocoyam is a root vegetable and it is higher in vital nutrients than yam and cassava. It is high in potassium, fiber, vitamins, and makes a healthy addition to your diet. Now done with peeling, cutting, and washing, and I'm going to throw this into this pan. I have a mix of onion, red scotch bonnet, and a bit of tastier, that's red bell pepper in that mix, and that's what I just threw in. 1 star cube, salt, and a little palm oil. Also going to add some water to cook this, so cover it and let it cook for 15 minutes on medium heat. You know what? If you want to have a time of your life with pottage, please use cocoyam. It beats all other types hands down. 15 minutes later, the cocoyam is soft, it looks good, so I will use my spoon to just mash lightly, not completely. Some people like to mash everything, but that's not how I like it. I like mine with some of the yam and that thick sauce. Some don't even mash at all. It all depends on what you like. So when you're making yours, do you. Anyway, this is your sign to buy cocoyam the next time you see it and try this very simple recipe because this meal hit all the right spots. I enjoyed my creamy cocoyam pottage with some leftover beans porridge or pottage and this very yummy vegetable sauce that I made that is really simple. I can show you the recipe if you'd like to see. And this was really satisfying, very healthy food, I must say. I want you to try this recipe when you can lay your hands on cocoyam and let me know how it goes. Thank you everyone for watching. I will see you with another recipe soon. Bye bye.